Welcome students. In my last video I have covered some topics or introduction of polynomials, and we have discussed about the types of polynomial based on degree and based on terms. Okay, but I left with some more types of polynomial, and so today I'll cover, and afterwards we'll discuss about the value of polynomial and the zero of the polynomial, which is very important to do some questions. Okay, see here, first of all, the constant polynomial. What is the meaning of constant polynomial? Constant polynomial, a polynomial of degree 0. Constant polynomial is a polynomial but having degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Okay, what is the meaning of degree? I have explained you yesterday. The degree means the highest power of the variable, okay, in the polynomial. So for example, if I write fx is equals to 2, only 2, if I write, this is a constant polynomial. But as we can say, here it is no variable with it. Okay, then how we can say that it's degree 0? Because we can write with 2, or we can multiply with x raised to power 0 with 2 to get 2. Okay, here also we can conclude that x raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Right, we know that now. So fx is equals to 2 is a constant polynomial having degree 0. Clear? Next is zero polynomial. After explanation of the zero polynomial, again I will compare both the things. Okay, next is zero polynomial. The constant polynomial 0 is called zero polynomial. Means the constant polynomial 0, because 0 is itself a constant polynomial. Okay, constant polynomial 0 is called a zero polynomial. But one thing, zero polynomial, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Why? For example, if I'll take fx is equal to 0, fx is equals to 0, so I can multiply this thing with x, okay, with power 0. If I multiply 0 with x raised to power 0, I will get 0 only. But if I multiply 0 with x raised to power 1, then also I will get 0, right? If I multiply 0 with x raised to power 2, then also I will get the 0 answer. Means the degree varies. It's not defined. It can be anything. Means for any degree we could able to get, okay, its degree can be anything. Is it clear? Degree can be anything. That's why we can say that degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Clear? So one main difference is the constant polynomial is any number, any constant, but zero polynomial means itself a zero, is a zero polynomial. Its degree is defined, or you can say its degree is 0, but its degree is not defined, and it can be anything. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, now let's proceed to another. So let's move to another topic, that is value of polynomial. It's very easy to understand. Try to understand. If fx is polynomial, okay, any polynomial, okay, and a is any real number, you can take any, okay, then the real number obtained by replacing x by a in fx. What is that? Fx is a polynomial, a is a real number. If we replace x by a in fx, okay, is called the value of fx at x is equals to a, and it is denoted by f of a. In easy language you can able to understand. For example, if you want to find the value of polynomial at some value of x, okay, by of something, then we need to replace that value with x to get the value of the polynomial. It can be more clear by the example. See here, I am taking one example, that is the value of quadratic polynomial fx is equals to square minus 3x minus 4 at x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 2. I will find. Just see how I am finding it. Okay. See. This is fx. Fx is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4. Right. For x is equals to minus 1, I am just replacing. As I am considering this is as a and I am replacing this real number with this x. Okay. That I have replaced x with minus 1. Now I am substituting the value of x here. That is minus 1 square minus 3 of minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 3 minus 4. So I could able to get 0 answer. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Similarly for x is equals to 2, I will find the value of fx. That is x square minus 3x minus 4. So I could able to get f of 2 by replacing x with 2. Okay, 2 square 2 minus 4, that is 4 minus 6 minus 4. So what's the value I am getting here? That is minus 6. So f of 2 and f of minus 1, I could able to get that f of minus 1 is 0 and f of 2 is minus 6. So these are the value of the quadratic polynomial which I have taken as a example. I hope it is clear. Now we can move towards zeros of the polynomial. Here is a zero of the polynomial. What is the meaning of zeros? Why I wrote zeros of the polynomial? Because a polynomial can have more than one zero of the polynomial. First of all, try to understand what is zero of the polynomial. Okay, a real number a, as we have discussed in the previous. Okay, real number a is called the zero of the polynomial. Any real number can be a zero of the polynomial only if f of a is equals to 0. If f of a is equals to 0, mean for the value of a by which I am able to get the polynomial value is equals to 0, that a value will be my zero of the polynomial. Always remember one thing, that a polynomial can have maximum zeros which is equal to its or less than equal to its degree. Okay, means a quadratic polynomial can have maximum zeros equals to 2. Okay, see, I am taking one example to make you more clear. The value of fx at x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 4. Okay, so I'll solve for this polynomial fx. That is, sorry, need to take one example of fx, that is x square minus 3x minus 4. Okay, I'm just finding the value of fx at x is equals to minus 1 and x is equal to 4, as we have did how to find the value of the polynomial in the same manner. Okay, see, I'm just replacing x by minus 1 and again I'm just replacing x with 4. Okay, so here I'll able to get 1 square minus 3 of minus 1 minus 4, that is plus 1 plus 3 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. To get the value of polynomial at x is equals to 4, that is 4 square minus 3 of 4 minus 4. Okay, so here that is 4 square is 16 minus how much? 3 fourths are 12. 12 minus 4, that is 16 minus 16 is equals to 0. So from here we can conclude that these are the values, but the values is equal to 0. If the values is equal to 0, then the x is equals to a. That a will be the 0 of the polynomial. So from here we can say that minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of fx. Clear? From here I want to conclude one more thing, that there is a difference between 0 polynomial and 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means the value by which the polynomial is getting 0 value. Okay, clear? the value for x is equals to a, the polynomial is getting value is equals to 0. That is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, but the 0 polynomial means itself a constant polynomial 0. Okay, I hope you all have understood. If not, please go through the video once again. Thank you very much.